So this morning, I let my duckies out because they have to be caged up at night so they don't get eaten. Where is it at? And I come back to find that I have caught what seems to be a chipmunk. If I can get it to come back out. Oh my gosh, it's gonna make me get in there. Where's this little guy at? Oh. We're gonna let him free. I just wanted everyone to, I don't want to be attacked by this chipmunk. He's hiding somewhere in here over here. Oh my gosh. This thing's gonna... See him? I've got to back up so he can come out because he's a little wet and scared. Oh, that's how he got in.